Welcome once again to Tony J Piano Tutorials in the key of C. Yes, we are still in the key of C. Your C start from 1 in number system is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1. In alphabetical system is A is C D E F G A B C. C D E F G A B C. In your number system 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1. 1 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1. 1 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Do re mi fa sol la ti do. Do ti la so fa mi re do. So your do is your 1, your re is your 2, mi 3, fa 4, so 5. La is your 6, ti 7, then your do 1. Do re mi fa sol la ti do. So in this format you can say tone, 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 semitone, tone, 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 semitone, tone, 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 semitone, tone, 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 semitone. To form the do re mi fa sol la ti do, we are going to use the number system, which is 1 3 5 1. Remember I taught you is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1. 1 3 5. So you start from your 1, which is do C. Then you come to your 3. Your 3. Then you come to your 5. That is 1 3 5. In no key formula. That is the formula for finding any major chord. You start from the root, which is C, C1, E3, then G5. This is the piano tutorials which I have prepared. My contact, my email, my location, everything is there. So if you want to contact me, you can call me on the numbers. Tony J Piano Tutorials. We are located in Ghana, Sunyani to be precise. That is Bono region. This is the PDF I prepared using for the learning and teaching. If you need some too, you can just call on the number, pause them this thing and call on me, which is key C, our first key. See how to form your C major chords. The do, the re, the mi, the fa, the so, the la, the ti, and the do. You come to the inventions, you invent, then you are good to go. If you have any question and any contribution, you can comment on the comment section for any interaction. Thank you very much. You are welcome once again. You can still call me 0243 036699. 0243 036699. 0243 036699. Thank you.